this is your elbow side plank. I'm gonna come on down, set my elbow to be directly underneath my shoulder. Now my legs, I'm gonna extend straight out, and they're in line with my shoulder, hip, and knee. They're not over in front, they're not in back. So keep that in mind. That needs to stay consistent the entire time in the exercise. So what's going to happen is that you're going to pull your hips up off the ground, pressing into that elbow, making sure that your shoulder and your ear are far apart so you don't want to sink into that up to the shoulder. Also, my chest is going to be pulled back and put my hand on my hip. Now, you have some options here. If this is feeling a little bit hard, what I want you to do is to extend that bottom knee here, press that top foot down, and you come into that same side plank. Sometimes that's what I need in order to feel my obliques on the side here, and put my chest back. Now another option, if your feet don't feel comfortable stacked like this, another way to do it is to bring one foot in front, drawing in the abs through that elbow, and everything else stays the same. What I want you to be conscious of is not turning over like this. You want to keep your spine as straight as possible, keeping a nice straight line from your head all the way down to your toe. And that is your side plank.